Hello everyone, welcome to Calligraphy Creators. Today we are going to see 10 best slogan for Save Nature. So let's start the video. First slogan, don't pollute weather, please save the nature. Second slogan, if you destroy nature, you destroy the chance of life. Third slogan, save trees, save earth. We all are the guardians of nature's birth. Fourth slogan, study nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. Fifth slogan, be positive to nature, save the natural resources, to save the humanity and culture. Sixth slogan, it's not yours, not mine, it's our. So protect nature who nourish you. Seventh slogan, best gift we can give our next generation. It will be possible by nature preservation. Eighth slogan, the nature does not belong to us, we belong to the nature. Ninth slogan, the world is beautiful because of its natural resources. So it's our duty to preserve it. Tenth slogan, life is not saving money, but about saving the nature and beautiful living creatures. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, so please subscribe the channel and don't forget to comment on the video. Thank you for watching.